Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning from the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share for the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, depending on when this video is published, Sparta made his second court hearing appearance, whether virtually or in person. But the statement, viewers and subscribers, are the reason I want to is from a statement from a subscriber who commented. And first and foremost, if you want a special big up for you or yours or anybody special or place, your community, whatever, all you have to do is share the content, whichever one of the videos, from right here from my channel. Screenshot it, DM it to the Instagram page, Jayden Chase _ Jayden _ Chase _ DM it and tell me the name of the place or the person you want big up. Simple as that. Now, the person mentioned in the comment section, viewers and subscribers, that in their opinion and in their thoughts, they think that the play is that because the Supreme Court overturned the recent law that was presented by our government, that under the SOE, the JCS can detain an individual for up to 90 days or less or more, something like that. They're saying no, that is unconstitutional and this should not be allowed. Now, this subscriber, viewers and subscribers, put forward a very intriguing reasoning. Him said that him feel like one of these 3 hearings will be one of the hearings where they try to present charges on Sparta. I hope it isn't so. But he's saying that after they can no longer hold him under SOE, they will need a charge to hold him behind the bars, viewers and subscribers. And when I gave that statement thought, but remember this, Vybz Kartel was initially held for a bag of herb, and then from that bag of herb, all these other charges were presented, of which none stick, except this current one. And the only reason why it stick is because them realized that this couldn't stick neither, and then decided, alright, we would break the rules and do by any means what we need to do to make the charge stick. Now, Sparta is in somewhat of the same situation. He's been accused countless times of the same. Yes, he's been accused countless times of the same particular allegation, saying that he's a member of the Spartans and he did this and he's known for doing that. And even though they have never said him directly go do nothing, it is unclear what them want Sparta to do. Some would have said them want him to talk. But why them don't want him to talk if they claim that they have another high-level member who is already speaking? Why you need so much people to talk about the same situation? I don't know. They have already held all 10 individuals. And remember, more than likely, we know they will be charged because they were already seeking them for these particular situations. But we have not heard any public statement saying they are being charged and their dates have been set. We hear them say Sparta's dates have been set because we have argued the fact that he's there unconstitutionally. There is no right to have an individual there so long after the person, I think is a SSP, told Tamile's attorney that the questions had ended and him couldn't help no further, and when that say wasn't that helpful, and them have to let him go. We don't let them say him no more than when him pretend for, and that's why them keep him there longer, because that can be a tactic too as well. Them can say you know more than what you tell me, and we are going to make you sweat Yeah. It's a term. No people gonna say, make you sweat. Why? Yo, that's why enough want to leave certain lifestyles alone. Because it's the place where certain lifestyles lead to, you're not ready for them environment. You don't need to leave certain lifestyle. Who in school, stay in school. Who have a part-time job, try make it a full-time job and keep it. You're not ready for the streets. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is a thought that was presented to me, and I presented to you. And as something where I feel like his attorneys should look into and try to make sure that don't take place. Some have even called for a change of attorney. Yes. Some have said this attorney is not fit for the job. I saw Mr. 1,000 though. Mr. 1,000, no, Mr. Champagne for Dexter. Their family link Mr. Champagne then. I don't know what I'm going, but them link him up. I think a Champagne need to get a link. Because right now, to what take place, we see him do and get out Dexter apps. And them still try to hold on Dexter apps for a certain time. Till people are saying, man, them last Dexter 9 system, you know. And you know what I mean? Him say him decide to that can't go on. Him say a mega night him try drive out. When them say yo, only special people got up on the streets. And him even say yo, maybe attorneys should be added to that special person list. If I have to hold on for an individual and him say him want retain legal counsel. Or he man get legal counsel when legal counsel can't travel them hours there. Something strange about it. Something strange about it, I don't know. Talk to me about that in the comment section. But we are in different times. And right now, it is clear there are certain plots being implemented on dancehall and dancehall artists. And certain attorneys are not fit for this matter. You know, at the first, them are dealing in matters like this. So even if you have a good track record, I doubt you have ever handled a situation like this. Unless you used to represent artists who used to, you know, get into it with the law artists like Ninja and, you know, a few other artists. But I know only for dancehall artists to that level, especially big names who have thriving careers. Normally are artists that were in them veteran stage or, you know, at the height of their career, normally get into those situations. And sometimes some look at things on stage. When I tell you couldn't say you use certain words, I think you still can't use certain words now. But for majority of artists, it was normally the herb or using certain words while on stage performing that, you know, make them catch the eyes of the JCF. But other than that, for the better part, most artists used to keep, you know, used to not be accused of certain things. Now, even if they were accused, it wasn't brought to trial. Or just them name get called up and it normally get resolved at the station. It never normally make it to court case settings of which we see take place. No. Right now, as soon as something happens with the artist, I court is saying that. You know what I mean? Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you feel like that's the play right now. In play with family Sparta. And let me know if you feel like his lawyers need to act swiftly and quickly to remedy the situation before it gets out of hand. Because it can quickly get out of hand if not treated with a certain matter of urgency, I believe. And that's just some feel. And for the people who continue to talk about why this topic matter to you, listen to me, man. It matters to everybody, not only those studying law. Isaac Buchanan said in it was after his long run-ins with the law that he chose to become a lawyer. Would you believe? The redemption of redemption. After his run-ins with the law, he chose to attend law school and he's now a lawyer. Think about that. So when you talk about, yo, this might, the fact that we reason about it and talk about it, it might inspire someone out there to take up and say, watch, you know, we're not going to say mantle. Why? To take up and say, watch, you know, we want to become lawyers too. Now we want to change the justice system. We want to lobby for laws to be changed, and you know, we want to be there for the people who there are no voices for. So we have all these reasons, viewers and subscribers. If you know all them reasons, we have diverse topic right here on the channel, so you can choose to watch another video. Always a point that out. if it no matter to you, you know the something good G. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you, no. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Drop a like on the blog, you know. Yep, drop a like on the blog, share icon, then tell a friend. Remember, if you want to shout out, do the something. Comment section open. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Yeah, man, I just saw the something go. But I up move settings, fam. And we don't need a lot, and my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.